On page 47 of that plan, my office saw and my committee saw that there was a firing range laid down on government of Guam land across from the back road to Anderson and at Andy South. We contemplated as to when the military would brief us on that need for additional land for the proposed buildup. They covered it in a handout given to me by JIGPO, the Joint Guam Program Office, on December 18th, after their need was leaked to the media. JIGPO has also covered it during recent public village meetings because it had been leaked to the media. We contemplated as to when the governor would brief us and the public on this need. The governor's chief of staff even told the media when the leak occurred before Christmas that he had not heard of any Department of Defense need for additional land for the buildup. Sounds like the governor did not share the draft military master plan that was given to him by JIGPO with his own chief of staff, or no one in the governor's staff picked up on page 47's meaning if they in fact had the report. Talk about being kept in the dark. This build-up program is way too large and too complex for compartmentalization and plain knowledge is power mind games. Military land takings on our tiny island after World War II have been so controversial and so sensitive a matter in our island's psyche and history that any desire for additional lands by the military must be dealt with in a transparent and forthright manner.